Have you ever noticed that your mind sometimes gets in your way? Like for example, how many of you have ever gone to a personal trainer or nutritionist? They give you a program. If you followed their program, you would have gotten their results for you. But you did it your way. And you got your results. But whose fault is it? Well, if you said mine, that means you're responsible, powerful adult. Most times you go like you say theirs. See, there's so many things that we don't even realize we're stuck. We're stuck 90-95% of our day, we're stuck in our past, running automatic patterns. How many of you have ever said to one of your kids, "Are you being a good listener? Do you have your listening ears on? You're not listening." Some of you are thinking about the conversation you had with your significant other. But here's the thing. Kids are always listening. All the time. Every second. Even if they're not looking at you. They're just choosing not to follow your direction. So when you say to a child, "Are you being a good listener?" Kid's like, "Yeah, you sure those words." "You're not listening to me. I heard the words. You just said you're not listening to me." And then the kids look at you confused, but then our voice in our head kicks in. That voice that makes up stories on why we should have the kids listen to us. "I'm an adult, I'm older, I'm taller, I have a degree, blah, blah, blah." They want us to sing, whatever it is. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.